In this quick tutorial, we're gonna take a look at 7 rooms. So basically, 7 rooms will help you with the CRM part of your business and much more. So you can manage your tables, your reservations, your menu, and much more. Now, if you want to get access to it, you're gonna have to contact them. But before you do that, you can also get a demo to see how the software works. So you're gonna have to click on get a demo, enter here all your information, and then simply click on get a demo. After that, you'll be able to get access to their CRM and much more. So as you can see here, we can enter our guest data. Here we can add tags, we can see the total spend, orders, visits, reviews, and much more. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.